Okay, my name is David Shin, the Managing Director of Shin Korea. We are manufacturer for premium carpet drum since 2018. And with our then over 25 years long experience, we do supply then the best quality of drum, and then we use then the best coating solution. So the market now is then office market keep changing from printer to multifunction and carpet drum. So we do now then supply the high premium quality office drum. Yeah, because then especially in office now be changing. The people, each individual one then small printer they're using, but from now it's the network will develop. Then don't need the many of the printer, but they use very then convenient and easily one network the copy machine. So future market is the copy machine more popular. The big changing now. And for copy machine, it's then not easy. Then it's a very high sharpness, long life, and then the fax functionality, scan functionality, and then printing functionality. As a total solution should be then completed. That's why we can expect a much better technology. So we prepare and future market. So because of then the worldwide then the good sales network, we want to prepare then for example then China is our own then distribution center. India also some distribution center, and in European continent also one distribution center. USA in Los Angeles, we are located as our own branch. So better organized and worldwide global distribution. India is, everyone know that, is now then the world is then best faster than the growing market. So economic they are doing well. So we also then, the Korean manufacturer also, then we are now considering that manufacturing in India. So we are now talking to some of then good reliable partner, how we do cooperate with them. So I'm looking for that very positively for Indian market. So definitely Indian market now since 5 years after, 10 years after, unexpected and growing so fast. So we want to propose that. Price competition is very difficult, but as a Korean manufacturer, we want to keep them the best quality and service, and then trust, and then customized service. Then for the long-term reliable business. Then thanks for the interview. Thank you.
For more information, please visit www.imagingsolution.in.